Okay, so please be on mute. Please be on mute. Okay. So the today topic in SAP MM will be master data. What is that? The topic would be master data. Means master data. What are master data in SAP? In SAP, what is the master data? So how it works, what we do in the master data. So we will be learning about the master data and how to do the master data configuration in a SAP MM. MM means material management. We will learn about this one. So by the meaning, the word itself, by the meaning, by the word itself, you can understand master. Master means it is like a common to the a common to I mean one person is common to the multiple things like for example if you take I am the master for you both of the people, right? I am the master for you both of the people. If there are three, if there are four, if there are five, for every I mean for all the people I am the master. It's common person. The same way, if you take another example, let's take a small house. Small house. In small house, what will be there? There will be a hall. Hall will be a common place. From bedroom one, the person can come. Bedroom two, the person can come. From kitchen room, the person can come, and from the study room the person can come. So it's a common room, it's a central place, it's a common place, right? The same way here also the master is the meaning is like you can see the master data refers to the core data entities with some information, some kind of information, right? Like for example, I told you a small house, so there are some things which are common, what we keep like TV. In a TV, it is a common that what we keep in our hall. And like, like fridge or else like, some sofa set. That are few things that we keep it in a common hall. The same way here also, core data entities that are essential for operating an organization. Means for an organization to do some operations, to do some operation, few things are essential. The data is essential. Means essential means required. Essential is nothing but it is required. Essential for operations. Operations means to do the activities means for daily activities, for daily businesses. So operations of an organization within the SAP system, within the SAP system is SAP, I told you. SAP means systems, application, data processing in products, system, software system. So master data represents the business objects that are business objects that are shared across various that are shared across various process. See, again, I'm repeating the second line. What it is telling, it says master data, which a common place data represents the business objects. The word, one of the word is important, business objects that are shared across the various process and application in the within the enterprises. You understood this point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Means again I'm repeating it. So master data. Okay, master data is a common one. Common data that represent a business objects that are shared. Shared means what? See, the word shared means one thing, it is accessed with the multiple people, sharing with other person. You are sharing with the another person. So that object is shared with the multiple things, multiple things. You got my point. Let me try to do some kind of a diagram if available. So, for example, this is one module. This is one module. This is another module. There are think that these are the multiple modules. This is the multiple modules. So with this, something is shared with this one, right? This is the shared object. This is the shared object, I mean, shared with the multiple departments, for example. Okay. Let's take this is an SAP SD. Let's take this is an SAP HR module. Let's take this is an SAP MM. Let's take this is an SAP PP. Or let's take this is a SAP QM. So for this, see here, 10 minutes it is going to end. Again, we can join after 10 minutes. But right now we can continue till 10 minutes. Okay. Now, so like for example, company, whatever you created, company, right? Or else company code, right? Company is common or shared with all these people, right? As you have created one company, as we created, the company name is, what is the company name?
KSS, K
K,
triple S, sir.
K triple S. Okay. So this is the company name or this is the company code, right? This is the company code. The same way, this company code is required for the MM people. This company code is required for the HR people. The same company's code is required for SD, PP, and other. So this is an object. Company or a company code is one object. One object. You got my point. I will write here. What is that? BUSINES business object. What is the business object here? Company code. And what is our company code? KSSS. So this is the business object, one of the object, company code, and shared with the multiple different departments or a different modules. That is what master data represent a business objects that are shared across various persons or various departments, various process and application within the enterprise ERP. Clear now? This is clear now? Now, another one. It serves as a foundation for a transactional data. Means this one. This is the center where company code is serving as a foundation for a transaction. Means for a transaction purpose. Transaction data and usually maintained centrally. So you can see here. This is maintained centrally for all the people. And transaction means SD people, if they want to do like sales office or sales area or a sales organization, they have to connect to the one of the company or a company code. Like MM, we have created a plant, we have created a purchase organization, we have created a storage location, we have created a purchase group. And these multiple objects are connected with the company code or a company, right? The same way what I'm talking about this one. Maintain center, ensure data consistency and integrity throughout the organization. Means throughout. See, because for everyone, the common thing what we are using is the company or a company code. Company or a company code. So one of the company code is connected with the SD and connected with the plant plant means MM, and another company code is connected with the HR like travel or something, travel or time management or event management that is related to the HR. Okay, so these are the different, and you can see here master data, material data, PIR. purchase info record, and there are few other quota arrangement, service management, source list, master data. Okay, these three are right now not required. That's okay. Let's learn about these three things. Okay, these three things are the master data of MM, only MM. Let me write it here. One second. One second. Unmuted. I'm sorry. Resume sharing. Uh, okay. It's audible, right? Now, what I'm doing in sense, these are the master data of SAP MM. These are the master data. In the same way, we will also have the master data for another one also. Another means like SD. Okay. Like HR. Okay. Like SAP MM. Like SAP QM. Means there are many modules for every module, listen carefully, for every module, they have a different master datas. As of now, I copied the same thing, but same thing will not be there. Okay. For example, I'll see here, instead of vendor, you will be having customer, customer master data. Okay, material is okay. Here you will be having CIR, means instead of purchase, you will be having customer info record. This is the CIR. You can ask me material. Yes, material can be a common thing for this one. Okay, so there are another master data for this one also. This one also. Okay, I'm not writing them because that is not required for us. So for HR, there will be a different master data. Okay, for example, still if you want more clarity, we can try. Just a second. Okay. Okay. Here, SAP HR master data. Okay. Let's see what are the master data available for the HR. HR means employee related. So, employee master data, job position data, payroll data, time manager, and training at this one. You got my point. See, in SAP HR, so employee related information will be there. That's the reason they told it as an here, the master data for the this one, employee master data. Okay. So another one is organization structure. Okay, and you can see job and position data. Job and position is the master data. Okay. Let's take another one. Payroll data. Payroll data. These are the, I have written only three. If you want me to go ahead and write all, I can write. Time management data. And another one is training and development data. Okay, because this will be useful. So let me write for you. Okay, I'm writing that. So these are the master data. For the SAP HR related. HR related. Let's keep it like this. Let's keep like this.